Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate it if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at a rose gold Patek Philippe Ladies Calatrava Pilot. This is a travel time. It's a self-winding watch with a brown dial. Model reference number for this watch is 7234R-001, and we're just going to call it the 7234R for this review. The retail price on this watch as of 2022 is just under $50,000 US dollars. I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch: the case, bezel, dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and strap, and I'll give some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. This Calatrava line of watches from Patek Philippe has one of the most well-known and respected models in today's luxury Swiss watch market. This Calatrava is the first self-winding watch for ladies. This 7234R is in rose gold. The case is just over 37 millimeters from left to right here. It's almost 11 millimeters thick from front to back. The watch has some girth to it compared to other ladies' watches. This watch is water resistant up to 60 meters or 200 feet of water resistance. It's okay for you to go swimming with this watch on your wrist. It's going to hold up fine. However, the calf skin is not waterproof, so you'll need to swap out the strap for something else. The rose gold domed bezel is a high polished bezel with a mirror finish. It's a simple bezel with nothing really fancy to it, but it does a very good job of wrapping up this dial. Now going to the dial, we're looking at this beautiful brown dial with the luminous Arabic hour markers. This dial is pretty sporty. It's easy to see with luminous hour and minute hands as well. Dial displays a few different complications. You can see the GMT hand that's skeletonized here. Looks just like the hour hand, only it's skeletonized, and it's a different color. This GMT hand actually travels around the dial at the same speed as the hour hand. I'll open this up real quick so you can see the hour hand and the GMT hand move around at the same time. Normally you see a GMT hand move at half the speed as the hour hand. There's also a date function subdial here at the 6 o'clock position. The white pointer on darker brown background makes it easy to read. This is going to be really easy to read in low light conditions as well, with its luminous hands and hour markers. This watch is also offered with a blue dial, but on a white gold case. This one is a rose gold case with a brown dial. Now onto the crown at the 3 o'clock position here. We can wind it in its first position once. You don't need to unscrew it or anything. 10 to 15 turns should get this watch running. Second position out, we'll adjust the hour and minute hands and the GMT hand. Once you have them set, you can just pop down that crown and your watch is set. We'll go over these other functions in a bit. Now the movement that runs this beautiful watch is a caliber 26330 SCFUS. It's made up of 290 parts. It's visible through this exhibition case back. Has the hour, minute, date, second GMT time zone, and a center seconds function. Now let's go over the rest of the functions. Now the bottom left pusher here on this is going to actually move the jump hour. The hour hand is a jump hour, so we can actually just unscrew this. Actually, you're going to turn this counterclockwise, this knob counterclockwise, and it actually unlocks it. Allows you to actually jump that hour hand really quickly around the dial. Look how fast it goes down right now. And if you were to actually adjust it backwards, you're going to be pressing the top left button to actually move it backwards. Now as I'm moving it backwards or forwards, you'll see the home aperture or local aperture and the home aperture go dark blue to white or white to blue. Hopefully you can capture that while I'm doing this. And back to white. That's pretty cool. So if you want to lock that down again, once you have that set, you can just turn those crowns clockwise, and they're going to be locked back in place. There's also a case button here at the 6 o'clock that allows you to adjust the date quickly. We'll adjust it really quickly so you can see it. Little case pusher here. And as I push it, you'll be able to see the date function move clockwise in that sub-dial at the 6 o'clock position. The power reserve on this movement is 35 to 45 hours, so you can set this watch down for a couple days. It's still going to be keeping time. It is self-winding, so the movement of your wrist is actually going to be winding the watch while you wear it. Now onto the strap that holds this watch. We're looking at a brown calfskin strap with white stitching. It's a semi-dress watch, and the strap looks great on this watch. Looking here at the tang buckle, you have a rose gold clevis prong buckle. That's pretty nice for a change. Yeah, you don't see this often. It's actually a nice look when you buckle it up too. Actually adds a little bit more support to the strap as you wear it. Oops. See what it looks like when it's actually buckled up. Now for what I think about this watch, the Calatrava collection of watches is made up mostly of dress watches. But we can see that there's more to this watch line than just dress watches. The look of this Pilot watch, it's a travel time, it has a lot more bolder lines than the other regular Calatravas. And the watch is really pleasing to the eye. It works really well as an everyday wear watch. It's easy to read, it's an automatic, it has a date function. Those are things I'd be looking for in an everyday wear watch. Now, if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website at jazztime.com. Model reference number again is 7234R-001. This is the rose gold ladies Patek Philippe Calatrava Pilot travel time with brown Arabic luminous dial. Again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com. Thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.